Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Lucas in the post here. So now go to what's SML YouTube to snow stove. No, that's the what's the video. Okay.
Jeffy's nuts! Yeah! I kinda wish I get to see snow for the first time.
Junior's you, Gay.
Get wrecked, kid!
How many tennis balls do you think I can fit in my booty hole?
69.
69.
Booty hole.
Breaking news! A storm is hitting us right now, so stay inside.
I just came.
What the fuck?
Joy to the world is the thing to do, but the world does not revolve around you. Don't be a jerk.
Oh, ice cream!
What the fuck?
It's Christmas.
Oh, Jeffy frustrates me so much. I finally get a day to just sit back, do the crap, turn black, and not go anywhere.
How many tennis balls do you think I can fit in my booty hole?
Oh, guy! You wanna have a snowball fight?
Oh, yeah?
Yes!
It feels good. Breaking news! There's a 100% chance of pouring.
Come on, guys, let's go!
Pouring.
You guys want to get married to a saxophone operator?
Yes!
I'm starting to think Junior's not coming.
Have you seen Jeffy?
I don't know.
Where's Jeffy?
I kind of wish I get to see snow for the first time. That would really make my Christmas dream come true. I kind of wish.
What is Jeffy doing? Jeffy! Where's Jeffy?
How many tennis balls do you think I can fit in my booty hole?
69. 69.
I kind of wish.
Marvin, why are you biting it?
What? Jeffy!
Today's weather forecast is a sunny, no cloud day.
Guy! It's a nice day outside. Let's go swimming.
Come on, Marvin, we're all going to the beach.
Yeah!
Someone edited a penis right here.
Hang up. Also, thank you so much, me. This is and this is Hot Dog Creeper. Sorry, also fine. Bye.